Good evening, this is Mel from IntegralBlinds. This evening we're at a retrofit project here in Worsley near Manchester. The project involves 4 SWIFTGLIDE integral blind sealed units going into an existing 4-panel bifold door. So we've taken out the existing units and we've replaced it with 4 of our magnet operated integral blinds here. The colour scheme is white for the bifold doors on the inside, dark grey anthracite rail 7016 outside. The slat colour is silver, so there's the slat colour there. The dress perimeter on the inside is silver or dove grey. I think it's actually dove grey in fact. And on the outside it's a Komatsu Grey, which is quite close to the rail 7016. They've gone for an unconcealed stack, which means, as you see here, that the blinds stack in view. They could equally have gone for a deeper pocket at the top and conceal the raised slat stack as part of our unique dress perimeter. And I say our unique dress perimeter, just remember that is an option that is available nowhere else. It's only available from us. It's something we've developed. The colour choice on it is over 100 colours. You could have a different colour inside and out as they've done so here. The blinds, as I say, are operated by magnets. They could equally have been operated by electric remote control, either solar battery or 24 volt automated. And don't forget, the 24 volt automated product does also give the option of app control via iPad or iPhone, or also Alexa voice control using Alexa. So whatever you go for, we can provide it either for a new installation or a retrofit such as this. Give us a call on 0800 6102 610. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/IntegralBlinds. Check out our YouTube channel, over 40 videos of recent projects there throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel, and also don't forget you can email us at sales@integralblinds.com. Look forward to hearing from you about your project or your client's projects very soon. Give us a call.